Hello, sweet mamas, sweet boys, and girls. Today we have another fun car game or waiting game you can play while you're in the line or at the doctor's office waiting for you. And it is called Relations. This is not a game that we made up, but we do like this game. Okay, so the rules of the game are you have to say something, anything at all. So I could say cat, and then the next person in the car will have to say something that is somehow related to a cat. So it could be black, it could be a black cat, it could be fur, it could be tail, whiskers, something like that, claws, just something that has to do with the cat. And you'll keep going round and around and around, saying something that's related to the last thing that the person before you said. If it takes you too long to say something, if it takes you more than 5 seconds to think of something related that hasn't already been said, then the person before you gets a point. Are you ready to play? Okay. Do you want to start?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you got?
Bagel.
Cream cheese.
Now it's your turn to do it.
No, you got to say something related to cream cheese.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream? Okay, because it has cream in it. Pie. Because you put whipped cream on pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie. More specific. Vine. Because pumpkins grow on vines.
Weed.
Weed, because that's also a plant. Okay. Flowers.
Rose.
Thorn.
Needle.
Vaccine.
Front seat.
I said vaccine. Like a shot. Is what something that's related to a shot?
Dart.
A dart?
Yeah.
Okay. Dart. Feathers? That was maybe a little stretch. Okay, feathers.
Wing.
Wing. Plane.
Feather.
We already said feather. That would be a point for me. Can you think of something else?
Lion.
I said plane. How is a lion related to a plane?
I thought it's lion.
You gotta say something that's related to the last thing that I said. Did you forget the rules already? What's something related to a plane? An airplane?
Float.
A what?
A float.
A float? I don't think that counts.
Yes, a float does count.
How does a float count? What kind of float?
The airplane like float.
The airplane floats in the air? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, the air float.
I'll give you that one, but the next one needs to be more related. Okay? So you said float. I'm going to say Thanksgiving Day Parade.
What is that? Chinese parade.
Dragons. Babies.
Kitten.
Cat.
Lion.
Mane. Oh, I get another point. All right, well, we are going to continue playing this game off the camera. We hope that you and your littles enjoy playing it just as much as we did, and we will see you next time.
See you next video. Bye.
Bye.